Good afternoon, Professor. This is my big data assignment 2. This is to demonstrate the usage of Cloudera environment and Q browser. The assignment asks us to perform a basic calculation of finding the winner of an election in two booths. For that, we have using Java Eclipse and then Q browser. We have three classes. One is word count mapper, word count reducer, word count application. The code is taken from the GitHub link that was given in the assignment. So we have created three classes. The project name is Utopia Word Count. There are two files giving data about the two booths. Let's look into the files. These are the files. These are the list of names whom people have voted. There are two files. Our aim is to add these two files and then see which candidate has the maximum number of votes. So this file has to be placed into the appropriate directory. So it's placed into the vote count input directory. Now let's run the code in the terminal. This is the code. What this code does is takes the Java application that we have created. It's in the desktop. It's outputting the file into the word count output 3. Since it was done already 2-3 times, the file name has been changed to output 3. So let's run this. So once it's run, we should get the output file in this location. So the code has executed. Let's refresh and see if we have output file. It's taking some time. So as you can see, the output file 3 has been created. Also, we can see how many mappers reducers have been executed. To do that, in the terminal, click this link. This is a map reducer assignment and it shows two maps and one reducer has been executed for this task. Thank you.